If you're tired of the same old bland keto food, well, let's cook something new and exciting. A Mediterranean keto salmon skillet that's bursting with flavor, and you can have it ready in 15 to 20 minutes. This is the easiest and tastiest keto salmon dish you can make in such a short amount of time. This is pretty much most of the ingredients we need except some oil and some seasoning, which I will show you later. Some butter. Since this is a keto dish, we're going with the full fat yogurt. So this is 1 pound of fresh skinless salmon. I'm going to cut this in small chunks. Then we're going to marinate it for about 10 minutes. As long as it's going to take for us to do the zucchini ribbons and the dill yogurt sauce. And then the game plan would be to saute the salmon for a few minutes and then saute the zucchini ribbons in just for like 30 seconds. And then we got to put the dish together and we should be good to go. So let's get it started. Here are the zucchini ribbons. We will flash saute them quickly for about 30 seconds in the same clean pan after we cook the salmon. Now let's make our yogurt dill sauce. The two servings come in at around 440 calories each, including the cool and creamy yogurt dill sauce. Not too shabby for a dish packed with protein, healthy fats, and Mediterranean flavor without a single carb-heavy ingredient in sight. You're getting a perfectly seasoned salmon chunks, lemony zucchini ribbons, and that bright dill yogurt sauce to tie it all together. Another option, you can marinate the whole salmon without cutting it into chunks if you prefer, then pan fry it the same way and serve it over the zucchini ribbons or even some seasoned cauliflower rice with a spoonful of dill yogurt sauce on top. Easy and just as delicious. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I would also love to hear from you in the comments below, and while you're here, check out my other videos. New Mediterranean and keto-friendly and one-pan recipes go live here every week. Also vegan recipes. You'll also find the full recipe ingredients in the description below, along with links to some keto-friendly products that I personally use in my recipes. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.